0xc0000221 blue screen error in Windows is a critical system error that typically appears when there is a problem with important system files, drivers, or hardware. This error prevents Windows from booting correctly and usually requires troubleshooting to fix. Here are the common solutions for this error. Turn off your computer by holding down the power button for about 10 seconds. Turn on your computer, and as soon as the Windows logo appears, hold down the power button again to force a shutdown. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times. On the third attempt, Windows will boot into the automatic repair screen. Click on Advanced Option. Select Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Open Command Prompt. Now type the following commands. Type boot/rec/fix mbr and press Enter. Type bootsect/nt60sys/mbr and press Enter. Type bootrec/fix boot and press Enter. Type bootrec/rebuild BCD and press Enter. Type chkdsk/f/rc and press Enter. Type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Now wait for Windows to scan for errors. Type exit and then press Enter. Press Continue to boot into Windows.